A huge roar for the athlete in 7. Elaine Thompson-Herah, second fastest woman of all time over 100, the third fastest of all time over 200. Favour Ofili of Nigeria, their national record holder, the 19-year-old, will start in lane number 6. Natalia White of Jamaica will start in 5, 8th in the 100-metre final here, 4th at the Jamaican National Championships this year over this distance. Christine Mboma from Namibia, the 19-year-old national record holder, has had her injury problems this year, but she's back, she's in this final and starts in 4. Beth Dobbin of Scotland. The line-up in lane number 3, a semi-finalist in the Olympics last year, the Scottish record holder, 22.5 at her best. And completing the line-up from the Gambia, Gina Bass, just outside 23 seconds in qualifying. She starts in lane number 2. So the final track action on this Saturday night. Bass, Dobbin, and Mboma, White. Ofili, Thompson-Herah, there she is. Connolly and McDonald. She won the 100 metres in 10.95 seconds. That was her first individual Commonwealth Games medal. The athlete that's done the double-double, the 100 and 200 metres at 2 Olympics in a row, is aiming to win the 200-metre title here. Still shouts from fans around the crowd. But a clean start. Thompson-Herah has got out nicely in lane number 7. She's took the stagger from Connolly outside of her. She's eating it up, the Jamaican. Thompson-Herah into the home straight. Ofili, the Nigerian, in second in the lane inside of her. And Mboma's going to get the bronze. Keep your eye on the clock. 22.02 seconds. I thought it was under threat, and she's taken the game's record off Shaunae Miller-Uibo. A plus 0.6 metre wind. It was brilliant from Elaine Thompson-Herah, and now she's the double Commonwealth champion. She got exactly what she wanted here in Birmingham. Ofili picks up the silver, and Mboma the bronze. Both games' records have gone in the 200 metres, Steph, evening on the track.
Well, something about running at night here, it's just been magical. And do you know what? It wasn't that dramatic in the end. It pretty much went to script. Elaine made her presence known on the bend, and the race really was, in the end, for the silver and the bronze. And I'm just so pleased for her. You know, perhaps she didn't have the championship. Perhaps she didn't have the championships that she wanted in Eugene, but she has come back. And she has finished her season on her terms. You can see her third from the left in the screen. And you can, just in those first 20 meters, her stall was set out. The moment she was gone around that bend, no one was going to catch her. But the interesting battle was happening at the back as Christine Mboma we didn't really know what she was going to do. As you say, she was coming back from injury. Her very first 200, really, that we'd seen her in was in the heats. But Favour Ofili managed to hold her off for that silver medal.
It was a huge win in the end. Such is the class of Elaine Thompson-Herah. And it means a lot for an athlete that has everything. Her house just sparkles of pure gold back in Jamaica. And as we said at the start of tonight's broadcast, Jamaican Independence Day today, and they've had a storming session here again in Birmingham. It was never in doubt, as you say, Steph. She went round the bend. She held her form wonderfully well. At her best, 21.53, but 22.02 tonight, and the gold medal. Around the crowd. What a clean start. Thompson-Herah has got out nicely in lane number 7. She's took the stagger from Connolly outside of her. She's eating it up, the Jamaican. Thompson-Herah into the home straight. Ofili, the Nigerian, in second in the lane inside of her. And Mboma's going to get the bronze. Keep your eye on the clock.
Elaine Thompson-Herah reasserted her dominance in sprinting by clinching victory in the women's 200 meters at the 2022 Commonwealth Games. Racing from lane 7, the Jamaican star launched out of the blocks with characteristic force and held strong through the bend, crossing the finish line in 22.02 seconds. Her exceptional performance not only secured the gold medal but also set a new Commonwealth Games record, eclipsing the previous mark held by Shaunae Miller-Uibo. The final was stacked with talent, featuring top athletes like Nigeria's Favour Ofili, Namibia's Christine Boma, and fellow Jamaican Natasha Morrison. From the gun, Thompson-Herah made her dominance known, quickly gaining ground on Australia's Ella Connolly and Canada's Natasha MacDonald. As they entered the final straight, it became clear the gold was hers to lose, as she preserved a comfortable lead. Ofili managed to outpace Mboma for the silver, while the Namibian claimed bronze. This win in Birmingham added another highlight to Thompson-Herah's illustrious track career. Having previously pulled off the rare sprint double at both the 2016 and 2021 Olympics, she continued her run of success by taking both the 100m and 200m titles at the Commonwealth Games. Though 2022 posed challenges, including a below-par outing at the World Championships in Eugene, Oregon, she made a statement return, proving her resilience and champion mindset. Her gold medal carried even deeper significance as it aligned with Jamaica's Independence Day, heightening the emotional impact of an already remarkable feat. The crowd erupted with joy as Jamaican fans honored another legendary moment from one of their greatest sprinters. Still, Elaine's journey has been far from seamless. Persistent injuries have disrupted her rhythm over the years. In 2023, an injury sustained at a Grand Prix event forced her to pull out of the Jamaican National Championships, bringing her season to a premature end. As the 2025 season draws near, fans and analysts alike are eager to see if she can once again ascend to the summit of global sprinting. Thompson-Herah's intense dedication and laser-sharp focus remain unshaken. Reports indicate she has been undergoing intensive training to recapture her trademark speed, and if she can stay injury-free, there's a real chance she could regain her title as the Queen of Sprinting. With major events like the World Championships and the Olympics on the horizon, optimism surrounds her prospects. Her Commonwealth Games win stands as a powerful reminder of her remarkable abilities and the excitement she injects into the sport. It was a display of sprinting mastery, marked by technical brilliance and flawless execution. Though rivals like Ofili and Boma performed admirably, Elaine was undoubtedly in a league of her own that night. As time progresses, the athletics community watches with anticipation. Can Thompson-Herah retain her hold on the sport, or will emerging talents rise to challenge her reign? What's certain is this: whenever Elaine takes the starting line, the world watches. Her story is far from over, and the next chapters promise to be just as captivating.